going into this, so how to open Inventor. So you can see an icon on your screen. It's on my other screen, so you can actually see it here. But if you hit your Windows button, and then you can search for Inventor. I'll say you're looking for the Autodesk Inventor Professional 2025. If you click on the icon, I believe it's the middle icon on your desktop. You can go ahead and click on that to open it.
Autodesk Inventor Professional.
Yeah. Yep. Autodesk Inventor Professional 2025. So the other two we're not going to be using right now. We'll wait for it to open. It does take a little bit to open.
Oh, good. Okay, it's opening.
It's a large software, so it takes a little bit. All right. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is something that's helped save you time. So down here at the bottom, which I don't think I'm actually recording this, when you see the icon down at the bottom for Inventor, if you right mouse click on that, there we go. All right. Mine's already pinned, but there should be a pin to taskbar. What that will do is it will keep it on your taskbar. Is it having you guys sign in?
It's having him sign in, not me. And
I'll say you can go ahead and log into your Autodesk account.
we don't play games. That's what we did.
I'm not playing.
All right. So now that at least most of you guys are signed in and have access, even without signing in, you should be able to open it. So this is Autodesk Inventor. So it does look very similar to AutoCAD, as it should. It's made by the same company. So you have your quick access toolbar, just like you had in AutoCAD. Similar features. You can save, open, create new, and then you can customize it by hitting the drop down. I personally don't use it a ton. I use other shortcut keys and stuff like that. If I use it, it's usually for like new or open. And then you have your tabs here. All right, so you have your tabs.
Here, yeah, where?
Right now, you're not going to see a lot of different options. We're not going to use nesting. Really any of the tools on this one or the cam we're not going to be using right now. Vault, I mentioned that a while ago, but again, we don't have it set up on the server side, so we're not going to be using that. There is the file where you can create new, open, save, and so forth. You also have your options there. Over on the left, just like in AutoCAD, you have open and create new. With your drop down, you have 4 default parts or file types. You have a part, an assembly, a drawing, and a presentation. More than likely, we'll not be using any presentations. We might be using some drawings later on, which is where we'll be creating a 2D drawing from a 3D part that you have already created. And it's way easier than using AutoCAD as far as creating a 2D drawing, because it actually uses the model you already have created.
Like this.
Then right here you have your recents. Yours probably won't have anything yet because you haven't opened anything. But anything that you've worked on recently will show up there, and it's an easy way to open it up. So as far as exiting, right here at this level, this would exit the file itself, not exit Inventor. The top X up here.
That little like minus in the box, the couple boxes.
This right here.
Yeah. My recent search is like closer up there. But I don't have that little box in the minus.
Don't worry about it right now. When you open a file, you should have like a minimize and expand and
Is
stuff.
it open on?
We're getting there. All right, so exit out on the top right. So now we're going to go ahead and create a new part. And we're going to do an actual part or the IPT file.
Sounds like a plan, Steven.
Wait, hold on. I'm pretty sure I'm not.
Republicans' Iowa election in District Jump 1 by 21.
Wait, part IPD?
Yep. So the IPT is like the file extension. So just like a Word doc is docx now, your inventor part will be .ipt. So now that you have a new part, there are 3 ways to save this. And for a new file, no matter which way you save it, you're going to get the Save As dialog box where it pops up. So you can either save it using the Quick Access toolbar with the floppy disk. You can do File, Save. And then the one that I use the most is actually Control S, which you saw the shortcut right here. If you hold Control and click S, you'll get the Save As. So it will say Save As the first time you're saving any file, and then you would just choose where you want to save it. So we'll go. That's the wrong class. Go ahead and go. Nope, wrong class again. We'll go in here, and I'll just save it as say assignment 1.
Do you want us to save as?
You guys don't have to be doing this right now. All right, and then you can click Save, and now it is saved.
I understand it now.